Hey y'all, this is me, Tanya, and a while back I signed up to do a box swap with my mind just went blank. I think it's Teen Mommy 2012. Or it could be teenage. I'll have to look it up. Anyways, I did a box swap with her. I don't know why I can never get it right. But and it came in today, and you know me, I'm like a little kid. I cannot wait to open it up. So I'm gonna do it really, really quick. Here's the box, and I've already pulled the tape off of it. So I'm gonna take the items out. And she sent me a picture of her daughter this morning where ooh, candy, where they had already started she was doing the things that I sent her. We kind of watch out, baby, you don't have them close. Back over there. Go back over there. You don't have them close. We said that we wouldn't do anything for the kids, but it was just so hard not to whenever you see stuff for little kids. But the first thing says something sweet to grow. And, hey, I don't need no help. Ha! This is crazy. Okay, let me see. Okay, McKenna, why are you crying? You want to help? Okay, come over here. Sit by me. Okay, this is crazy. Something sweet to grow, and it's strawberries. Now I don't know if I haven't uploaded it yet, but I did a thing yesterday. A video yesterday where I got from my secret sister, and she sent me strawberries also. And the thing is that I really want like a garden, so I will be planting these also. It says something nice for your lips, and I need something for my lips because they're always so nasty. It's sweethearts is what it says, and I bet it tastes like strawberry, but it's gonna be good. Grayson, my son's right here helping me by grabbing on the box every second. McKenna, you don't have on clothes. My videos are always crazy. There's candy in here, and I'm supposed to be on a diet. He just threw this way over here. This says something to keep your feet warm. They're cute. Look, they are pink and gray. These are pretty. Something that smells sweet. I can smell it already.
Mommy, what's that for?
It's from Mommy. It's a candle. Don't knock that over, son. Want to smell it?
What's that candle?
It smells good. Smell like gravy.
What's that?
He's going to try to eat it. McKenna, you sit right there? She took off. Thank you, baby. And something tasty. Right here. You want to open up something tasty? McKenna's going to help me with something tasty. This one says something cute.
It says
Happy Valentine's Day. It is cute. I'm going to put that on my bar. Bless you.
This is happy.
Ah. This says something for those sweet videos. And it says ideas. Have you opened up something tasty yet? Oh, it's to get me organized. It's a calendar.
Mama,
a planner. So I can get organized.
It's still.
And this is candy, something sweet. So thank you so much, Melissa, for doing the box swap with me. I'm going to enjoy all these items. Cover my daughter with her naked butt back here. And I really appreciate you doing it with me. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys later. Like cute. After I turned off the camera. I'm sorry, y'all. My videos are always crazy. I do have a lot of kids, and there's always going to be somebody crazy in the video. But I looked at the box, and look how she decorated it. This is so cute. So that's L-O-V-E. See? So it spells L-O right there, V down here, E, and then that's a heart. How cute is that when she decorated it? Anyways, again, thank you, Melissa. We're going to go enjoy our stuff now. See y'all later. Is it?
Yeah, it's a two.
It's a candle? And what'd you say this was?
It's a two.
What's this?
This one I did that.
What is this?
It's that.
You're so silly. And Grayson's trying to steal the candy already. Little thing. They don't want me to open it. Let's see.
Let's see.
Taste it. You want to try it, McKenna? Come here. Tastes just like strawberries. Let's see. You put it on. You taste it? Is it good?